That's the airplane like Southwest Airline, or Spirit Airline, United Airline, Delta Airline, or JetBlue Airways, or Spirit Airline. Have a great flight to United Arab Emirates. For have a great flight to UAE on Emirates Airline. She's eating snacks on an airplane call Emirates Airline. She's going to get it. He's getting your food, buddy, from McDonald's from today. I have a chicken nuggets. It's here. I've arrived. Delicious. It's delicious. The cheeseburger on Emirates Airline. We have a cheeseburger in Texas from a couple days ago. Destroy its food. Destroy it. I think there's nothing. There's nothing. There's nothing inside. What? It's empty. She's sleeping on an airplane called Emirates Airline. Uh-oh. Landing in Dubai International Airport probably someday. Maybe in a few years we can go to Dubai International Airport. She look on a map for Dubai International Airport probably someday. They are at the game in France. They're at the game in Abu Dhabi or Dubai probably someday for Emirates game. What? She got a ticket for the game. So we go to a baseball game in Houston, Texas. She jumped. Yay, awesome. Good job. Good idea. You had a ticket. You have a ticket. What? It's not working. I think there's a problem in Texas. There's a problem in Dubai with fire from a couple weeks ago. What? It's not working. Oh no. The ticket, it's stuck. It's stuck, buddy. It's stuck. Come on, dude. You can do it, buddy. The ticket on an airplane called Southwest Airline or United Airline, Emirates Airline, my favorite. What? I'm not going to school anymore. That's so funny, my guesses. I've been telling you. Oh no.
And for the final.
So I was soaring. We have an airplane to the game in Abu Dhabi, in Texas, to Abu Dhabi, in Texas. We have an airplane in Texas. It's Southwest Airline or Spirit Airline or JetBlue Airways or Delta Airline or British Airways, Air Canada, Delta Airline, or JetBlue Airways, Air France, or Emirates Airline, or KLM, the airline to the Netherlands, the country. So it's or Allegiant Airline, or Frontier Airline, Spirit Airline, or United Airline. We made it to the game from in Bay Lake from a couple weeks ago. To go to a concert in Ohio, probably this summer season. So we have a game in Texas. So we have an airplane in the sky in Texas. It's Emirates Airline, British Airways, or JetBlue Airways, or British Airways, or Turkish Airline, Singapore Airline, or Japan Airline, or Etihad Airways, the airline. So we have an airplane in Texas. So we get heading to the game in Abu Dhabi for a trip there in United Arab Emirates. Probably someday. That's so funny by Gelsos. I can get a ticket by Gelsos.